Hello bachcho, let's see this question. So the question says assertion secondary rainbow is fainter than the primary rainbow. Secondary rainbow is fainter than the primary rainbow. And the reason is secondary rainbow is seen due to the scattering of primary rainbow through water molecules. Okay, so here we will read the all the options given here. So options are both assertion region are true, region is correct explanation for the assertion. Both assertion region are true, region is not correct explanation for the assertion. Option number C is assertion is true, region is false. Option number D, both assertion region are false. So here we will write the key concept that will be used here in this question. So what is the key concept? So the key concept is secondary. ध्यान से देखिएगा, पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट लिख रहा हूं यहाँ पे. secondary rainbow formed due to two TIR and two refractions. ठीक है, सो वो TIR और रिफ्रैक्शन की वजह से होता है. इन दिस order energy dissipates more in comparison with primary rainbow. ठीक है, सो secondary rainbow is fainter than the primary rainbow, ये करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. एंड secondary rainbow is seen due to the scattering of the primary rainbow through the water molecules. तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो हम लोगों को कुछ और रीजन दिया हुआ है. This is the correct explanation. So this reason is not the correct statement. So assertion is true, but reason is false. Option number 3 is my final answer. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.